I got a package. A package I'm very, 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 very excited about. Like, I'm excited. I'm breathing so hard. Anyway, what's up? What's up? What's up, guys? And you know what? Let me put this right here so I could talk. I'm not about to. Okay. So, like I was saying, I just got a package and I'm excited. I've been waiting on this thing for so long. So I got this package from one of my favorite YouTubers. I really like her style. I like her dressing. I like all that good stuff. And this package is actually from 12 PM Studios. The YouTuber is Janae Naylor. Yes, I got this sunglasses from her. You know. So this is how it came. I bought two, you know, backstory. I bought two, right? And then after I checked out and everything, I was just scrolling through TikTok, and then I saw a different one that I'm like, you know what? I could have just ordered. So I ended up ordering another one. But anywho, we'll open that later. When you open it, it comes with this. It says 12 PM Studios, and then this stuff. That's her right there. Yeah. And then it comes with this. This is how it comes. Now let's open it. One thing I love about this is the packaging. Like, her packaging, the reviews and stuff that I saw on YouTube and TikTok, I'm like, her packaging, hopefully they look nice in person as well. But so this is one. I don't know what this one is, but we're gonna find out. This is the first one. It comes like that, and then you kind of open it this way, that way, and then let's open it. Woo, child. This is so cute. This is one of the things that I loved about it. Like, it's so classy, luxurious. That's you know, I can decide to take this without carrying a purse or anything like that. I could just put my lip gloss and, you know, and card in it, and that's it. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. Just look at it. Very cute. It has the 12 PM Studios written on there. Now let's open it. Oh, and it comes with this, the glass cleaner, that, and it has 12 PM Studios, and this bag as well. So you can decide to carry this without that, but okay, this is the first one. Why did I open this first? Well, this is the first. This is the Milani. I believe this is the Milani. Let me check the name. Where is it? Okay, here. Yeah, this is the Milani Tortoise Brown. I think they have the black one as well. And this is it. Now let's. Can y'all see? Can y'all see that? Can you see that? Now let's wear it. I'm a little. Let me fix my wig. Man, let me fix my wig right. Okay. Now let's wear it. Wow, it's actually very steady. Is my head big? It's actually very steady. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Can you see what I'm seeing? Yeah. Can you see what I'm seeing? Can you see? Can you see it? Oh, this is actually cute. Guys. Should I get the black as well? We'll see. This is so cute. This is so cute. Like, I love it. Anyways, let's try another one. This is so cute. This is not cheap. It doesn't look cheap. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, it's affordable, but does not look cheap at all. It does not look cheap. Here's the second one, and this is the London Gold. London Gold Green. Yeah, this is it. Put this right here. Let me put this, and it comes the same way. Now let me open it. Okay, and the London Gold, they have the big one, and then they have the smaller size as well. I think this is the regular size. No, yeah. And this is it. So cute. And it's study. Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. Tell me this is not cute. Tell me this is not cute. Like, you know, it's an indoor outdoor type of glasses. It's cute. Oh my god. Ooh, child, where's my phone? This is so cute. This is so cute. Like, I'm not trying to do too much, but I'm doing too much. Like that kind of vibe. That's what it is. This is cute. Huh. I'm actually excited about it. You know? The other one, it came in the same way. Same. Oh, it comes with the 12 p.m. studio stuff. Can I open you already? It says Aspidemic Brown, something like that. I don't know if you have to see it. No. Same. I hope this is cute. This is a bit big, but I don't have anything like this. Let's see if it looks good. It's actually very cute. Let me see. Ooh, it's actually cute. Take a picture. This is actually cute. Anyways, I'm excited about my order. Now I can rest. I can relax because I was tracking the order. I think it took about a week or less to get here. I'm excited. It's actually very cute. Very cute. Bye.